Hi guys, Yolanda here, and I am making a Ladybug journal. So this is just the intro to show you the beginnings of it. So as you can see, I've already made the cover from this lovely fabric. I have used eyelets, and it is an A5 journal. This is my Ladybug paper that is available on my Ko-fi page. So let me do a quick run through of the papers. This is from my stash, just from my stash. It is scrapbook paper as well. You can see I've sewn 2 pages together. I love doing that. It just feels good. And then we have ladybugs, we have fairies, we have mushrooms. And I've just put in some pages as well. This is a lovely page. It's a protea, the South Africa's national flower, in pink, which is great. And you know, I also like just ordinary pages, if you know what I mean, in my journals. This is all just stuff from my stash, guys. And this one I've sewn at the top to make a pocket there. And there's a fairy dancing on a mushroom. My rabbit, or my bunny, because I love bunnies. I love bunnies, ladybugs, fairies. I love this page. It's one of my favorites. And this is a fairy page, and that's the other half. There she is dancing on a mushroom with ladybugs there. Again, I can't remember where I got this from, guys, but I just thought it would go nice here as well. So pages, you know, plain pages, polka dots, some of my favorite, and these 2 pages with ladybugs, fairies. It turned out really cute. I hope you like it as much as I do. And this is the back page of the first signature. Then this is the second signature. Or it's over 120 pages or something in this. There's my little ladybug there. And we have the fairy tale castle with flying ladybugs. So let's just go through it again. More flowers from a botanical book that I have. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous book, I gotta tell you. Again, my bunny, fairy. And I've already started this. It's just lace fabric, and then which I've sewn. I've sewn the lace onto the fabric. I've added some trim there. I'm still gonna, you know, still gonna decorate. Eventually, this is gonna go on here to form a pocket, you know, and of course that'll be decorated some more. So that's going in there somewhere. It might not be on that page. You know me, I chop and change. If you know me, if you've been following me, we got a squirrel and we got a baby ladybug there. And across the edge, more big polka dots, fairy houses with ladybugs, mushrooms. Yeah, this, I also like this page, got lots of ladybugs here. And I've used a 3 pamphlet stitch for those of you who know how to make journals. I want to do more journals, more videos, tutorials on making covers. They really are easy to make. So we have here, it's like a fairy tale book there, ladybugs in the background. This house with the ladybug. Lots of pages. Dancing on the mushroom. And again, isn't that gorgeous? It's a really nice book. Then we have this one with a little mushroom house. She's lovely. And over here, now the cover, let me just show you again. I've used scrapbooking paper. It's just a foiled page, which is probably very shiny and staring you in the face, but you know, I will put paper and stuff to offset that shininess. So that is the cover. So these will go in here. And I've just, you know, when I was making the kit, designing the kit. This is just extra pages, which I'll probably make into a, I don't know what I'm going to do. In the kit as well, we've got lots of journal cards. This is a little envelope. Yeah, I've changed this around, by the way, and I need to print another one so that this is the right way. We have journal cards. Good things take time. And I was thinking of putting this one on the cover. I don't know yet. We have that really cute card. So I'll just show you. And there. Lots and lots and lots. These are fake envelopes. More journal cards. One of my favorite fairies. Little ladybug. Some more fake envelopes. That's just, I'll probably use this as a belly band, you know, leftover paper. We have that one, another fake envelope. I'll show you what we'll do with these in the journal. What am I missing? Oh yes, I haven't cut this out yet. Where's my little frames? There's stuff all here. These 2 tags to put, you know, like that. Oh, there, look, I've cut her out here. Just bits of papers that I'll probably use. You know, I don't throw these scraps away unless they're white like this. Oh, no, that's got, so I'll use that somewhere. Another tag, you know, it'll probably go here. I don't know where it's going to go. Over here, we shall see what we shall see. I'm trying to find my other envelope, proper envelope. Oh, that's the one. It's, yeah, these little frames, they're very cute. So we'll do something with these. There's 3 of them. More envelopes, more fake envelopes. And another journal card. There we go. And I think you've seen these already. Yeah, you've seen these. Yeah, this is my little envelope. I don't know if you can see that. So I will do some tutorials here. I'll be doing some on TikTok. There's another one. There's another tag. So yeah, so join me in the making of this, if you will, if you'd like to. And I will see you again soon. Ciao now. Bye-bye.